Hello, if you missed class today, you missed our lesson on area. And the area of a figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. So you can see a whole bunch of square units in here, and it tells you that there's 45 square units. All right, so either you can count them all up, but a lot of times you can't see how many square units would fit in. But if you know the length, like for instance, the length of this is 9 and the width is 5, you can use the formula length times width. Length times width. Okay, that is the formula that you would use. So 9 times 5 is 45. And that's how you find the area of a rectangle. So let's take a look at some examples. So like I said, you would do your length times width is going to equal the area. So in our first example, we can see that our length is 7 and our width is 5. So we're going to do 7 times 5 equals 35. Now in this case, you can't see the square units, but you could fit in 35 squares. So the way that we label that, we can do centimeters and then this little 2 for squared. The next example, we have been given 41 as our length, and then I'm going to times that. I'm going to write this up and down so that I can do the work, times the width of 9, so 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times 4 is 36, so 369 meters squared would be the area of that rectangle. In our next example, we can see that 16 is our length times 5 as our width. And 5 times 6 is 30. Oh, my 0 is a little sloppy. Let me make it better, look better there. Okay. And then 5 times 1 plus the 3, that gives us 8. So we have 80 millimeters squared to get our area for that. Now our last one looks a little bit different. It's a square. So if we know that our length is 7, since it's a square, we know that our width has to be 7 as well, because in squares, the sides are all the same length. So 7 times 7 equals 49, and our label would be centimeters squared. All right, so what you want to do is take a look at these two examples right here. And go ahead and try these, and you want to email me your answers for these if you missed class. And then finally, you are going to go to Canvas, and this worksheet is on Canvas. It's our area of a rectangle worksheet. It'll be on Canvas for you. You're going to do the problems on this page. Right here, you can see the notebook paper. I have set it up for you. So set your piece of notebook paper up exactly the same and go ahead and show all of your work and your answers on your piece of notebook paper. And then you will take a picture of that and you will upload it to Canvas. And that is your assignment. Additionally, you know that each day you have to do your extra math as well as part of your assignment. So there is what you missed in class. Make sure that you get all of that done and contact me if you need help.